When it comes to crafting delicious meals, the cookware you use plays a pivotal role. This Koch Systeme CS stainless steel saucepan set is a game changer, offering durability, functionality, and style in one comprehensive package. This 6-piece set, including 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart saucepans, is built to handle a variety of cooking tasks, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With its premium construction, ergonomic design, and compatibility with all stovetops, this set has quickly become a favorite among home cooks and professionals alike. Let's dive into this detailed review to discover why this saucepan set deserves a prime spot in your kitchen. Explore every detail about this exceptional saucepan set by clicking the link in the description below. Make an informed decision and upgrade your kitchen with confidence. Key features that set it apart. Number 1. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted with high-quality 1810 stainless steel, the Koch Systeme CS saucepan set is designed to deliver unparalleled performance. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural flavors, free from metallic interference. Whether you're simmering soups or reducing sauces, this set guarantees consistently delicious results. Number 2. Cool Touch Bakelite handles. The ergonomically designed heat-resistant Bakelite handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. Unlike traditional metal handles that heat up during cooking, these remain cool to the touch, offering safety and convenience. Number 3. Triple-layered base for even heating. Uneven cooking and hot spots are a thing of the past. The triple-layered base ensures rapid, even heat distribution, making every dish you prepare flawless. From delicate sauces to hearty stews, enjoy consistent cooking results every time. Number 4. Induction-ready and versatile. This saucepan set is specifically designed for induction cooktops but performs equally well on gas, electric, and ceramic stoves. Its versatility ensures seamless integration into any kitchen setup, whether modern or traditional. Number 5. Effortless cleaning. The smooth stainless steel surface is both durable and easy to clean. Whether you prefer hand washing or using a dishwasher, maintenance is hassle-free, leaving you with more time to enjoy your culinary creations. Why choose Koch Systeme CS saucepan set? Number 1. Versatility for every cooking need. From boiling pasta to preparing delicate custards, the variety of sizes ensures you have the perfect saucepan for every recipe. The 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart sizes cater to small meals and family feasts alike. Number 2. Modern aesthetic appeal. The brushed stainless steel finish paired with sleek Bakelite handles adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Now, it's not just cookware. It's a statement piece. Number 3. Built for everyday use. The robust construction withstands daily use without warping, discoloration, or loss of performance. This set is built to last, offering incredible value for money. Number 4. Energy efficiency. Thanks to its quick and even heating properties, you'll save both time and energy. Say goodbye to long cooking times and unevenly cooked food. What customers love: heat efficiency. Users rave about how quickly the pans heat up and distribute heat evenly. No more burned spots or undercooked meals. Cool touch handles. The comfort and safety provided by the Bakelite handles are highly appreciated. No need for pot holders. Ease of cleaning. Whether tackling stubborn food residue or simply rinsing after use, cleaning these saucepans is a breeze. Stylish design. The modern design is a hit among customers who value aesthetics as much as functionality. How it stacks up against competitors. Compared to other saucepan sets in the market, the Koch Systeme CS set stands out for its balance of affordability and premium features. While some brands offer stainless steel cookware at a similar price point, they often compromise on heat distribution or handle comfort. With this set, you get the best of both worlds. Conclusion: the smart choice for every kitchen. This Koch Systeme CS stainless steel saucepan set is more than just a collection of pots. It's a kitchen essential that combines functionality, style, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary game, this set delivers on every promise. Its premium construction, user-friendly design, and versatile compatibility make it a standout choice for anyone who values quality cookware. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this exceptional saucepan set yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.